we're done in IKEA and we got our bed sorted out. But Shat, how come that stuff is not in the pack? It's just loose alone.
Yeah, it's separate.
But it was not in the same place.
No.
So
Other shelf.
another chef. Yeah, we need a card. So we're here in the toy center. We just want to get no toys. We want to get, what is it called?
Pampers, diaper.
Diaper and wiper. Yeah. We needed to wait. To do what?
Because the kids are home now.
Oh, please. No. Too much of things already. What? For your son?
Here?
No. They can wait and he can get it for his birthday. Cover. Yeah, he can wait and he will get it for his birthday. So we don't have to buy toys for his birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, since this is so into Minecraft, let's wait for his birthday so we can buy all of that. I'm not buying anything of that now. Six months. I need the one with shall tell me to check.
Prepare a fresh food in just 2 minutes.
6 months is the perfect one. 6 months is the perfect one. But I need the one with what's it called? With a soft mouth. The brown one.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of noise. This is mostly from when? 3 months to, I guess it should be 3 months or so. 0 months. 0 months. Can they hold things already?
Fits all models, silicon.
We're here.
So what did you need?
Wiper. Got the wiper.
Sensitive?
Yeah, got it sensitive.
And what else? 25 euros.
No.
Oh, how many should I pick then?
3 pack is okay. Should we mix it with fresh?
9.
No?
9.
Only sensitive?
Yeah.
Okay.
1?
This is size 2. Yeah, we don't have to buy size 2 much. How many kilos?
This is a size 1.
No, we are not buying size 1. We should even have size 1 in the killer.
Yeah. Okay.
It's 4 kilos. Size 2 is 4 to 8 kilo. And then we pick size 3. Here, we pick this one. I like this one to put baby on top. Very pretty. We have to search for it. Oh, we should go for this one. You found that one. You like that one most, okay.
60 euros.
So pretty.
Good.
Now we are at the car seat area. This one looks like from beginning. Yeah. It's from beginning. But then you can't bring it inside the hospital to pick baby.
No, you cannot.
So you have to hold baby in the hand to go over.
You cannot take that into
Yeah.
You still have the seats.
Did they even allow to hold baby in the hand out of to go to the car?
I don't know.
You have to hold this one out. You have to bring this inside.
You can't bring this one inside.
Does this one move out? Is that out? Can that be out?
That
This, the whole stuff.
doesn't look so.
Though it looks so.
You can't remove it.
I like it. I like it when baby is sleeping. You just raise it up. Huh?
That is for here. This is for here.
Look at one here.
Backwards, and this is for bigger one.
360. The other one was not 360.
It's also 360.
That one was also 360.
Yeah, you can also turn it. Here.
Yeah. Okay. It's very hard, and there's nothing. So this one is just pure foam.
And lock all positions. Yes.
You like it, right? It's very soft. I like it. It's very soft. We have been checking for the softness of the car seat, mostly where they rest their head. So this is a bit like this one. Okay.
You pay with your card.
Don't want.
Including seats.
Yeah, the seat is only for 2 children.
Mm-hmm.
For when baby is already 6 months old, or that so. When he can sit. No, yeah, exactly. That's just what I just said now. When he can sit, exactly. Don't stop here. Move. Go. No stopping. No toys for your kids. Let's go. They have too much toys already. This is where we got our garden stuff. Everything from our garden. Huh? The trampoline, yes. Everything. Where did you get the trampoline? Online? Don't remember. Toys. My toys.
Den wollten wir separat machen.
Separate cheese. Did we not come to buy only 2 things? I'm definitely getting Heavenly this day for December or her birthday. Her birthday. We came to buy just 2 things and look at what we end up with. For those of you saying having kids is expensive, of course it's expensive. Of course it's expensive, and especially when they have a mother that buy. Well, I said exactly. When they have a mother that buy too much, yeah, having kids is expensive. But when you don't have a mother that doesn't buy too much, it's okay. But this woman right here, she buy almost everything. You could call Opa to help you. Emily saying, "Oi."
Hope you have the receipt from the seat. It's here.
In case everything is not complete like the IKEA own, then we'll come back again. And these two.
We have keine gekauft. Everybody want a mirror for everyone.
A mirror? Because Ada has a mirror in her shop. Don't worry, Heaven. You're going to get a mirror in your room when you are bigger. Yeah.
Can we go to Lidl?
To do what in Lidl?
Hello.
Ada, do that again.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
So, can we go now?
Can we go now?
Where are we going now?
You say you have water in the car. Where is it?
Ashley's Zeit. Ashley, bei dir ist eine Wasserflasche irgendwo.
Nein,
Ist die etwa alle?
da ist keine.
Really? And do you know what he wants me to go and buy water when there is water there? And that is
Can I have
telling
the
you water. You said there is no water.
Can I have that bottle, please?
Which bottle?
The one Ashley want to finish now.
But We just spent over 200 euros
Eh?
buying car seats.
Nein.
The car seats.
The car seat itself, yeah.
Yeah, the car seat itself. 260 something euros. Yeah. That is around $300.
Ashley,
Yeah. And
Ashley,
that's not everything we spent today. Now I'm gonna get
the props of here.
Ashley my husband some wear for today's for this evening party, and also buy a body. What?
Don't know if you can post it.
And also buy a body. Yeah, or maybe I can go alone. You just drop me and go back home. He said, I don't know we can go there. And I said, okay, you just go and drop me and come back home.
Yeah? Where's Alia's jacket? Nein.
Das Richtige geraten hast, was ich gemacht habe, damit
There's only two things we have to buy now. No, Shaq, we have only one thing to buy for baby now. That's the body. Yeah, after the body, then everything is.
Ist leider zu hier.